Today we are going to talk about how to make unlimited Google accounts. Before going into the tutorial, let's talk about why or what do we do with these Google accounts. First of all, we can use those emails to register free services or software. We can also use them to show our support to our favorite YouTubers. Last and the most important reason, Google Drive. We all know that Google Drive provides us 15 gigabytes of free storage for each account. By making good use of a function called Shared with Me, we can actually make unlimited storage in one Google Drive account, and I will talk about that in our future tutorial. And you can also build an unlimited cloud library for your iPad or any kind of device. So I will also talk about that in our next tutorial, so stay tuned with that if you're interested. So you may ask, why do we even need a tutorial to make Google account? I mean, like, everyone can do that, it's so easy. But that is not true because we have to deal with this Google spam log. If you have triggered this spam alert or spam log, you have to use your phone number to register a new Google account. But you'll only be able to register one. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to avoid triggering this alert and how to solve this problem. This is the same phone that I've just shown you, and I am able to make a new Google account with that after solving this Google spam log problem. So you can see that I can make a new account here, and I'm going to teach you how. This method works on both Android and iOS, so you don't have to worry about your device. Go to YouTube or Play Store, click your account on the right hand corner on the top, and then click the arrow next to your account and click Manage Account. After that, click Create Account for myself. Just enter any random name, or you can enter your own name if you want, but I would do a random name for my account. And after that, you can enter your birthday and some basic information, and I will also do some random dates for the birthday registration and for the gender. Click whatever gender you are and then click Next. Then Google will give you some email address suggestions. Click the one you want and then click Next. Now set up your password as you want. Then click skip for the phone number registration. Then you can review your account information, click Next, and then they will have some terms for you, and then click Next. So that's basically the process of creating a new account. You can repeat this process in either Google Play or YouTube, so just do the same thing. Go to the right hand top corner and then click your account, click the arrow next to your account, and then click add another account. So the process is pretty simple. Now I show you how to trigger that Google alert. Basically, you don't have to worry about using your phone number to register a new account up to creating 3 accounts on your phone. But after making the 4th account, you'll see this alert saying that you have to confirm that you're not a robot and you have to enter your phone number. So how exactly do we resolve it? I have tried to reset my phone, but well, that is not a good way, because when you create an account and actually Google remembers you. So I actually own over 40 accounts, and I have tried many methods to make them because I want to build a free cloud library for my iPad and other devices. So basically Google will remember your phone and your network information based on your IP address. So if you register more than 4 accounts on a device, these alerts will pop up. Once the alert pop up, you'll have to wait 1 week until that alert disappears. So if you want to create multiple accounts, the best way is to create not more than 3 accounts. Best is to create 1 or 2 accounts per day, and then if you do that every day, you will be able to make many accounts, like unlimited. But you have an upper limit that you can register on a single phone. You can only have 8 accounts at the same time on a phone, so you have to log out all the accounts when you make new accounts. So the fastest way to make as many accounts as you can in a day is to take out your old phones and then register 2 accounts on each phone every day. So you will be able to make as much as you make as many as you can based on how many phones you have. Also, try to avoid making similar usernames or similar email address, because Google will recognize you, because if that similar Google Gmail address appears, and Google may ask you, are you sure you are using this name or something like that, and it will give it a longer suspension period for that alert. And I have actually experienced this, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes and I do. So try not to use similar usernames in order to avoid that spam alert. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll talk about how to get unlimited storage in one single Google Drive account for free.